I'm just using my sister's camera, just testing it out. I've been watching a lot of RuPaul lately, and na-inspire na ako sa mga makeup look nila. So, I'm gonna try make myself into a drag queen. Excuse the mess at the back. I got no time to clean. So, mag-start ako with gluing my Irish eyebrows. Oh, yuck. Shit. Lagyan natin. Malaglag siya. Oh my god, this feels so disgusting. Tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but you gotta lay them eyebrows flat. Nakalimutan ko mag-prime na mukha. I'm just gonna use my Body Shop All-in-One Insta Blur. Takpan natin ng mga pothole natin sa mukha, dahil so, yung kilay natin dry na. This is the time to put the powder. So, meron akong Airspun powder. That's what they tend to use. Mukhang timang dito. Gagamitin ko para foundation is my Fenty Beauty and shade 210. I really like the coverage. It's very nice. I know drag queens usually use cream foundation. Oh my god. But ito lang. I will make do with what we have. Wow, feeling beauty vlogger. Para talaga mumu, as in, promise. Kita pa rin ang kilay ko. Ba't ganun? Paano nila tinatakpan ng kilay nila? Now, I'm gonna use my Estee Lauder correcting, color correcting concealer. What the fudge? It's splitting. Like this eyebrow. Okay lang siya, pero yung kabila, tingnan nyo. Nag-split. Okay, I'll just let that ish settle. For the meantime, I'm just gonna use my concealer. So it's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Waterproof daw. Tingnan natin. It looks ugly as. The battery died. So I was just watching RuPaul. Anywho, I just put foundation on my lips and more concealer on my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer stick, but I'll just get my Anastasia contour kit powder. Help me find the right words to say. I'm just gonna look for a little cardboard or papel, whatever, so I can use it for glittering. Yan. All these baby hairs are annoying AF. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. Pantay ba? Wait lang. I think it will help kung as in, woo, ganyan. As in, like, kailangan banat na banat yung mukha. There. Tanggalin natin leg natin, dahil. So, kunyari, pumay tayo. Kunyari, ganyan yung ano natin. Ayan. Oh, diba? Payat, facelift. I'm gonna get my concealer. We'll clean up the lines to make it even sharper. Just literally gonna draw a line underneath. I'm gonna do my nose. I'm scared. I'm gonna use this angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use the middle shade sa contour kit. Damn son, mukhang mumu. And now I'm just gonna put more concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna bake. First time ever baking muffins. So I'm just gonna use my airspun again. Let's go for gold, mate. Next, gonna be doing the eyes. I haven't really planned anything for the eyes, so we'll just go with the flow. So I'm gonna be using my Beauty Killer palette by Jeffree Star. We'll do the eyebrows first. Okay, good luck. Sana pantay to. So, yung mga drag queens, yung kilo nila pa ganun. Wait lang, let me just take off some of the powder. Okay. Wish me luck, please. So that's the best that I can do. That's even enough. Holding that. So I'm still gonna be using a bit of Anastasia with my e.l.f. blending brush, yung middle shade. Well, I didn't really carve it out, but I prepped it. I'll just pick whatever color. I'm just gonna pack it on the lids. I haven't really used this green shade before, so we'll see. Nice. Okay, let me just zoom in. Damn, pigmented AF. Yes, Jeffree Star, that's the one. I'll use a smaller one, so it'll still be H Cosmetics. I'm just blending if it blends. Bruh! Okay, I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna leave a gap dito. Just cause, wala lang, style lang. Just gonna line my eyes with the eyeliner. So, eyeliner na gagamitin ko ay the Pink Panther eyeliner from ZA. It's it's the twisty ones, which I like because I don't have to sharpen it. Anyone do a weird face when doing eyeliner? Like, the frick? So, like, I'm just gonna put a thick layer. Doesn't matter if it's, you know, clean or not. Like, because you're gonna smudge it anyway. I'm also gonna line my... because I don't have a liquid eyeliner anymore, and I'm gonna smudge it out. Jeez, oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, I think it's time to smudge. I'm just gonna use this brush from e.l.f. It's just a eyeshadow brush. Alright, I just charged the battery again. Keeps dying on me. But what I've done before, while I was waiting for it to charge, I just added more concealer on my nose, and I added Rich Bitch in my inner corner, and also smudged the black eyeliner in the bottom. And I fixed my eyebrows, put concealer, and cleaned up the line as well using a concealer. I think I need more, you know, contour. And I've just been watching RuPaul again, so I'm gonna get my trusty Hoola contour stick, and I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for contouring my nose earlier. So I'm just gonna grab a fair bit, and I'm just gonna line my nose again. I'm gonna, yeah, I haven't wiped off my freaking bake yet. My face still baking. Okay, I think it's time to put blush on. So for blush, I have the Balm Girls Getaway Trio. I like using the stippling brush to put my blush, so I'm gonna do that, mixing all 3 shades. Putting blush on my temples as well. I feel like I need to clean that up using the powder. I'm gonna add more. I'm not content with the bronzer contour, so I'm gonna add more. There, I look even more Asian. Gonna put mascara on the bottom lash and the top lash. Just gonna get my highlighter. I have 2, so I have Mirror Luminizer and the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter, Mean Money, and Hustler Baby. We'll see Hustler Baby. Anong itsura na. Ipagilagay natin sa inner corner. So I'm just gonna use a pencil brush. Lahat na nalalaglag. Pag ganun. Tapos sa eyebrows. Brow bone. Now for the lips, I'm gonna be using my MAC lip pencil in Spice. I'm just gonna overdraw. Like my lips are already big, but I covered it with foundation para overdraw. And then I'm gonna be using NYX Lingerie in a corset number 9. What I like doing is put like parang magdraw ng cross. So just like that. Like that. So yan na yung Cupid's bow. I'm gonna leave the center light. I'm gonna try this. I don't know if this is the right shade, but we'll see. We shall see. put some highlighter, so I'm still gonna use my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, using my Zoeva fan brush. There. Zoom in. All the freaking imperfections. But how I wish I have a wig right now. That's my drag makeup. This only took me like what, 2 hours? And the freaking battery kept dying. I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun. Look like I have a donut on my head. So yeah, like this video, share, comment down below if you want to see more of makeup videos, or just comment whatever video you want to see. And yeah, Janiqua out.